Good morning. Let us see how to develop a C program to read, print the student record containing name, roll number, test marks, and to copy, initialize, and compare the records using functions. In my previous two videos, you would have already seen that how to do this without the function. Now we'll see using functions how to do the same task. Now, as usual, we have included the header files stdio.h and string.h because you will be using some input-output statements and some string manipulation functions. So now I have declared the structure student with the character name of 10, integer roll number, and t of 3. And this I have used type def because I want to create a new variable of the type stud. Now I am writing the print function. So void print stud, yes. So you can observe that student record is passed as an argument. Whenever a structure variable is passed, so it is passed by value always. So it creates a copy of the structure variable which is passed into the variable student variable, yes. So I am printing printf percentage minus 20 years percentage 5d percentage 5d percentage 5d percentage 5d backslash n yes dot name yes dot roll number yes dot t of 0 yes dot t of 1 and yes dot t of 2. So this is the body of the print statement which is going to print the student record, yes. Now for reading, so since I want to read the structure variable and it is passed by value, if you are doing, then it will not be reflecting in the call function. So I have to pass the structure using pass by address. So here the function for read is void read stud and pointer, yes. It will be passed by reference. Now inside this read function I am going to read all the members of this structure variable, yes, using scanf percentage s, yes, pointer, name, scanf percentage d, ampersand, yes, pointer, roll number, scanf percentage d, percentage d, percentage d, ampersand, yes, pointer t of 0, ampersand, yes, pointer t of 1, ampersand, yes, pointer t of 2. So you can observe that for the integers I am preceding the s dot member by the ampersand. For the string, so I am not using the ampersand because already you know that whenever it is an array, by default the name will be passing the address. So this is your read function. Now to compare the two student records, I am writing one CMP function. Here the prototype is int CMP student s comma student t. So this CMP function will be comparing student s with the student t, and it is going to return 1 if both s and t are same, otherwise it is going to return 0. So now inside this CMP function I have written if not of strcmp t dot name comma s dot name ampersand ampersand t dot roll number equal to s dot roll number ampersand ampersand, or it is and s dot t of 0 equal to t dot t of 0 and s dot t of 1 equal to t dot t of 1 and s dot t of 2 equals to t dot t of 2. So if every member of s and t are same, then return 1, else return 0. So this is about the CMP function. So now inside the main function I am creating 3 structure variables s, t and u of type stud, and I am calling the read function by passing the address of s. So it is done by read ampersand yes. So this read ampersand yes will be calling the read function by passing the address of yes. So whatever the data we are reading in the read function will be reflected because it is passed by reference. Now I am printing printf read record yes is print yes. So this print will be calling the print function which we have written, which will be printing the record yes which is passed as an argument. Now the CMP function is used with the if statement, because this CMP function will be returning true or false, that is 1 or 0. Based on that, I am deciding whether the t and s are same or not. So I am writing if CMP s comma t. So it will be comparing the structure variable s and t. So if CMP function returns 1, we say that t and s are same, else printf t and s are not the same. Now I am creating or initializing the one more structure u by using strcpy u.name equal to Pratham and u.roll number equals to 24, u.t of 0 is 12 and u.t of 1 is 23 and u.t of 2 is equal to 24. And I am printing the initialize record u is by calling the print function by passing u as the structure variable to be printed. Again, I am comparing the s and u by using CMP s of u, and this I am using inside a if, and if CMP of su returns 1, I am printing that s and u are same, otherwise or else printf s and u are not the same. So let us run and verify the output. So suppose the name of the student, if I give as Ranjit and the roll number 34, test marks 12, 14 and 15. So you can observe that it prints red record S is Ranjit 34, 12, 14 and 15, and copied record T is Ranjit 34, 12, 14 and 15, and it prints T and S are same, and the initialized record U is Pratham 24, 12, 23 and 24, and U and S are not the same. Thank you. Please do like and subscribe the channel.